Good morning, breakfast lovers. Are you tired of paying $7 for a sad bag of granola that's 90% air and 10% disappointment? Fear not, because today we're making easy homemade granola that's crunchy, customizable, and just chef's kiss delicious. It won't cost you half your paycheck. Let's get cooking. Baking. Whatever, you get the point. First up, here's what we'll need. Rolled oats. Not instant oats, we're not that basic. Nuts. You choose almond, walnuts, or whatever your neighbor gifted you at Thanksgiving. Seeds, because they make us feel healthy. Chia, pumpkin, sunflower, go wild. Honey or maple syrup for that sticky sweet goodness. Coconut oil. It's like the moisturizer for our granola. And finally, dried fruit, because raisins need love too. If you don't have half this stuff, relax. Granola is very forgiving, unlike your ex. Want to add some tropical vibes? Toss in unsweetened shredded coconut, dried pineapple, or even banana chips. Craving something extra decadent? Chopped dark chocolate or a sprinkle of cocoa nibs will do the trick. Just remember to add these once the granola has cooled down. The point is, have fun with it. Okay, let's get mixing. Start with your oats. Give them a nice bowl to hang out in. This is enough to make breakfast for an army, or just one very ambitious snacker. Now toss in your nuts and seeds. Tip: break the nuts with your hands if you're feeling strong, or smash them with a hammer if you're feeling frustrated. We're all friends here. Whisk the coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, and a splash of vanilla extract in a bowl and pour it on the granola. Mix all together until it's evenly coated. When you bake the granola, your kitchen will smell amazing. Next stop, the oven. Spread your oat masterpiece on a baking sheet. Don't squish it down. Granola needs room to breathe. Think of it as yoga for your oats. Bake at 300 Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius for about 40-45 minutes. Set a timer because no one likes burnt granola. Line your tray with parchment paper just to make sure your granola doesn't stick to the tray. While we wait, let's answer the burning question. Why make granola at home? It's cheaper, it's healthier. It's the only time you can pretend you're on a Food Network show while wearing pajamas. Stir the granola every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure the granola bakes evenly and doesn't burn, and it helps break up large clusters. Once your granola is golden and smells like happiness, the smell of sweet success, let it cool. Trust me, it'll crisp up as it chills. Now for the final touch, dried fruit, cranberries, raisins, apricots, whatever dried snack you found buried in your pantry, and don't forget the salt. It enhances the flavors and gives the granola a balance of sweet and savory. You could even add a sprinkle of cinnamon to the granola. Mix it all together and boom! Breakfast just leveled up. Moment of truth. Crunch. Oh my oats. This is so good. You're going to want to eat it straight out of the jar. Actually, don't even put it in a jar. Just keep it in the bowl and call it meal prep. And there you have it. Easy homemade granola that's crunchy, sweet, and so much better than anything you can buy at the store. Eat it with yogurt, sprinkle it on smoothies, or, let's be honest, just munch it by the handful. Imagine waking up to a ready-made breakfast that you can just grab and enjoy. No more rushing, no more stress. Just a delicious, healthy start to your day. See, making your own granola is easier than you thought. So ditch those sugary store-bought cereals and embrace the homemade granola revolution. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Happy crunching! If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, fun recipes. Until next time, stay crunchy, my friends.